Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday morning, January 12th. So let's address where I've been for the last 2 weeks. I am fine. I just sometimes need to take a little break. And me being me seems to trigger the crap out of people sometimes. And sometimes there are people that take some really harsh pot shots at me, and I am human, and that does sting. So, so for many reasons, I have been gone. One, things finally slowed down at work, so that has slowed down enough that I can kind of think straight. While I backed off the channel, that has given me time to think straight. It's when I'm doing active videos, my mind is always going trying to think of something to talk about. So I was giving myself a break, intentionally, unintentionally. I don't know. It just kind of felt like I didn't have much to say. But I've been getting messages, so I will tell you kind of some things that I think are pertinent, I guess. One, I am going to make a prediction here that Fauci is going to be a major person going down soon. The letter 17 always said you'll be shocked by the first arrest or something like that. I have been seeing his face, just his picture, and he seems to be in the hot seat right now. And I mean, they are coming after him hard, which makes me think he might be the one that gets publicly arrested, and that is something the whole world will be watching. Sorry, I have a frog. The other thing that I want to talk about is a dream that I had a couple of weeks ago, and I have sat on that, but I have certainly been thinking about it, and it took place down in my small hometown where I was at. I was in the middle of the country, walking in the cornfields around that area, and 3 military planes flew over in formation. The first 3, over my head. And that's always a fascinating thing to see. And then I think 2 more flew over. And then the next thing that happened was this big, huge airplane flew down very, very, very low, like really close to my head. And I could overhear something that was said in the cockpit. That's how close they were. And what I heard or thought I heard was something about, I feel like it was January 19th. Something was going to happen on the 19th. He's coming back on the 19th, something. I don't know. It's been a while, and I was a little foggy with that. But I feel like it was the 19th. That date somewhat matches up with a little bit of what Phil Godlewski has said and Simon Parkes. So I have just kind of been sitting back and waiting. I feel like right now is, if there's a time to rest, it is right now, because I do feel like it seems like everything is pretty much in place for the most part. And as Phil and Simon have said, if something doesn't happen, Phil says by the 15th, Simon said by the 19th or 20th, if something hasn't happened by these dates, something is seriously off track, because it seems like they've got everything in place and it's just a matter of bringing it out into the open. If that is true, then we all need to rest now while we've got the chance, because it won't be long before literally all hell is going to break loose. Another thing that I did last Saturday, which I would really like to be doing more of these, because I put my opinions out there and people feel like it's just perfectly fine to just send nasty stuff to me, I have to question whether that is in my benefit or not. What is the benefit of me having this YouTube channel? Some days I question that, and I've been questioning that a lot lately. What's the benefit of me having this YouTube channel? And one of the things that I was able to do on Saturday is I did a quantum healing session for someone in Holland, and I am thrilled to death to be able to do more of those, and I want to do more of those. I want to connect with people who are healed, not the ones that are unhealed that I'm triggering and they feel like it's okay to just say hateful things to me. I want to connect with the awakened people that maybe need they've got a little bit more healing left. They can't figure out how to do it themselves, and they need someone to go in and do the final clearing. I want to do more of those. I am good at those. I know what I'm doing. I like doing those. And so this time off has given me, the thought process of, now that things at work have slowed down and I am not completely zapped of energy from work day to day, I can start doing more of my quantum healing sessions. So there's been a lot of things in my world going on. It just doesn't seem like that from you guys. But anyway, I do appreciate those that did reach out, wondering where I was at. If I don't feel like I have anything to say, I'm not going to get up here and just talk for no good reason. That seems pointless to me. And I wasn't, again, other than the dream, wasn't really getting much information from my guides to have anything to say. So I just needed to step back for a while. I still don't feel like I have a whole lot to say other than just kind of commenting on take your break now, because I think any break is about over. And thanks for following. I'll talk to you later. Bye.